I am starting to present chemistry project on the great scientist Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev. Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev was born on 8th of February 1834 in Tobolsk, Russia. Here map is given. Parents were Pavlovich Mendeleev and Maria Dmitrievna Komleva. He was a Russian chemist and inventor. He is best remembered for formulating the periodic law and creating a far-side version of the periodic table of elements. He always tried to be the best and he could be and choose to be make his mark in chemistry. Mendeleev died on February 2 in 1907. Now let's see his education. He studied at St. Petersburg and graduated in 1856. After graduation from St. Petersburg, he was appointed to a professorship. At 21, Dmitry got a job as a science teacher. Then to pursue chemistry, he moved to Germany to continue his research and got to work with Robert Bunsen, the creator of Bunsen burner. 3 years after being appointed to be a professorship, he succeeds to the chair in the university. He was considered one of the greatest teachers of his time. Interests. Beside his interest in chemistry, Mendeleev was interested in art, education, and economics. Awards of Dmitry Mendeleev. He is awarded for Davier Medal from Royal Society of England in 1882. Domindo Prize for his book Organic Chemistry. He has also got Copley Medal from Royal Society of England, its highest award in 1905. Honor. In 1893, he was appointed the director of the Bureau of Weights and Measures. In 1905, Dmitry Mendeleev was selected a member of the Royal Swiss Academy of Science. The creator Mendeleev on the moon as well as element number 101, the radioactive Mendeleevium, are named after him. Books. Dmitry Mendeleev wrote the definitive 2-volume textbook Principle of Chemistry in between 1868 to 1870.
After attending his first official scientific debate, Mendel was inspired to write a book. He called it Organic Chemistry and it sold well. He later wrote a quill called The Principle of Chemistry. As you all know, Mendel was a genius scientist, and the first official scientific debate was by which the Mendel was inspired, and he wrote a book named The Organic Chemistry. Later he also wrote the quill called The Principle of Chemistry. Mendeleev still felt the need to improve the Russian chemistry, but he also felt that the elements were too disorganized. This led him to try and organize the element that he wrote on card and move around trying to find some correlations. He fell asleep, and when he woke up, he found exactly what was needed. This was the tremendous effort was took by the Mendeleev to organize the element. Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev is the creator of the first version of the periodic table of element. Using the table, he predicted the properties of element yet to be discovered. He reacted most of the elements with the hydrogen and oxygen, by which he observed that the elements showing the similar chemical properties are placed one below the another, by which he observed that the elements are automatically arranged in the increase in atomic mass number. He found the several gaps and he named the gap element Eka boron, Eka aluminum, Eka silicon, which resemble the today's modern periodic table element scandium, gallium and germanium. He investigated the heat expansion of liquid and devised a formula similar to Gay-Lussac law of the uniformity of the expansion of gases. He investigated the composition of oil field and helped to found the first oil refinery in Russia. He formulated new state standard for the production of vodka. He invented phycocolidine, a kind of smokeless powder based on nitrocellulose. This was the contribution of Mendeleev in the various sectors. He is known for arranging 63 known elements in the periodic table based on their atomic masses. He published the Principle of Chemistry in 1869. Mendeleev arranged the atom on the periodic table based on their atomic masses. He left the spaces for predicted element two of them were silicon and boron, he left spaces for even more element, and his periodic table didn't include the noble gas. The beauty of the Mendeleev periodic table is that the noble gas which later discovered did not disturb the Mendeleev's periodic table. Work on periodic table. He wondered if nature really had a master plan, if the element had a pattern that he could understand. So he bought a bunch of cards and on each one wrote the name of an element and its weight, and then he played the game. He put them all in order by their atomic weight, using their chemical properties to differentiate. Group began to form, and despite some question mark, he managed to produce a similar periodic chart. In this slide, it is shown that the elements which shows the similar chemical properties are placed one below the another. At first, in 1869, the chart was not a hit, but the young Russian chemist was not the kind to quit. He revised atomic weight and stayed his whole career predicting the several new elements would appear. This is the Mendeleev's periodic table, which is the most successful periodic table at his era.
A few years passed, and sure enough they came. Gallium, scandium, germanium were their names. All these elements were predicted by Mendeleev. Chemists everywhere were impressed with what they saw, so they call him the father of periodic table, and his work gave to another kind of label. It's the name for element number 101 in honor of this man. Mendelevium was the 9th transuranic element to be synthesized in early 1955 at the University of California. In the periodic table, mendelevium is located to the right of the actinide fermium, to the left of the actinide nobelium, and below the lanthanide thulium. Classification is an actinide metal. Atomic weight is 258 atomic mass units. State is solid and melting point is 827 degrees Celsius or 1100 Kelvin. Total number of electrons are 101 and total number of protons are 101. Isotopes are 17. 17 isotopes of mendelevium are known with mass numbers from 244 to 260. All are radioactive. A total of 17 mendelevium isotopes are known, the most stable being mendelevium 258. The shorter lived mendelevium 256 is most commonly used in chemistry because it can be produced on a larger quantities from alpha particle irradiation of Einsteinium. Electron shell are 2, 8, 18, 32, 31, 8, 2. Electronic configuration is 5f13, 7s2. Being the first of the second 100 of the chemical elements, it was decided that the element would be named mendelevium after the Russian chemist Mendeleev, who had developed the periodic table, and the name mendelevium was accepted by International Unit of Pure and Applied Chemistry, that is IUPAC. Scientific method. The Mendeleev's table had over previous was that it only exhibited similarities in small units such as triads, but it also showed similarities in an entire network of vertical, horizontal and diagonal relationships. He realized that by arranging the element cards in order of increasing atomic weight, that certain type of elements regularly occurred. He noted that the chemical properties of the element and their compounds showed a periodic trend. Significance. Scientists produces and study new elements. Incorrect masses get corrected. Correction of values of atomic mass of elements like gold and platinum by placing these elements strictly on the basis of similarities. Through this type of discovery, can be learned about the forces that hold things together and what can break them apart. Mendeleev's table became widely accepted primarily because he predicted the characteristics and placements of elements which were yet to be discovered. Limitations. Inability to predict the number of elements between two successive elements Elements with larger differences in properties were included in the same group. For example, hard metals like copper and silver were included along with soft metals like sodium and potassium. Inability to place yet to be discovered isotopes in the table. As isotopes are atoms of the same element having different atomic masses, they should have been given different positions while arranging them in the order of atomic mass, but this was not done. No proper position could be given to the element hydrogen in the periodic table. The location of hydrogen is uncertain. Death. He resigned his professorship in 1890 and in 1893 he became the director of the Bureau of Weights and Measures at St. Petersburg. He remained at St. Petersburg until his death in 1907. Coin to memorize Mendeleev. Mendeleev's periodic table is 150 years old and commemorated on new Tuvalu silver coin, 150 years. And there is a struck image of Mendeleev at the top done in a style almost reminiscent of Da Vinci's sketchbook. This is a sculpture in honor of Mendeleev and the periodic table located in the Bratislava, Slovakia.
Thank you. This project is done by Neha Yadav, roll number 34, Divesh Chaturvedi, roll number 4, and Dolly Tiwari, roll number 27.